All right, day 37. Number 1. You're going to find the difference of 5,874 and 8/10 and 4,196 and 7/100. Difference is the answer to a subtraction equation. Number 2. The football stadium can seat 5,435 people. At 7, there were 4,929 people sitting in seats. How many empty seats were there at 7? Okay, number 3. The bead store has 12,439 pink beads, 15,789 blue beads, and 13,288 green beads. About how many pink and blue beads does the bead store have? And number 4. Lonnie arranged his bottle cap collection in the following pattern. Write and solve a multiplication equation that could be used to determine the number of bottle caps in this pattern.